Okay, hopefully you've paused and you've come back. So, first thing I'm going to do to get y by itself is get rid of this junk over here, this 12x. So I'm going to subtract 12x from both sides. That's negative 3y equals negative 12x plus positive 18. And then to get y by itself, I'm going to divide by negative 3 all over. So that ends up being y equals negative 12 divided by negative 3x plus 18 divided by negative 3, which makes y equals 4x minus 6, or plus a negative 6 if you prefer. And then if I go to graph that, there's my x, there's my y. This is the line y equals 4x plus a negative 6. Okay, so I'm going to start with the y-intercept, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. Up 4 over 1, stabby triangle. Here you go. Not too bad. Okay, hopefully you got that one right. Example 6, very last problem, is I want you to try to graph the line y equals 3. Do you remember that day where I assigned a whole bunch of different people functions, and different people, some people had the function that was just y equals a number. Was it Anna and Jose, maybe? Okay, so this is the y equals 3. So this is the graph where y is always 3. Which means that no matter what your input is, y is always 3, no matter what. So y is 3 right here, and here, and here, and here, but also here and here. So y equals 3 is just a horizontal line at 3. And this is why it is so important to label your x and y axis, because otherwise it looks like you might have two x-axes, or which one's which. So make sure that you label those, especially on those problems. All right, that's it for the notes today. Okay, so we're done with the 4.3 notes. The homework for today is page 235, numbers 1, 7, 9, 11, 16, 19, 22, 24, 25, and then you also have to do matching graphs on page 233. So on the bottom of 233, it looks like this. It says match each graph with its equation. It's just multiple choice. The only work that you have to show, you probably wouldn't have to show work for this one where you find it has a y-intercept of 8 and a slope of negative 3, or for this one where it's just the line y equals negative 4, that means a flat line at negative 4. But this one right here, you're going to have to do some work where you solve for y first, and the same thing for this one. Remember, if it says negative y, that's like the same thing as negative 1 times y. So you'll have to show your work for those two, and the other ones can just be letter answers. And make sure that you respond to that Post-it Partner discussion thread. If you could live in any TV or movie world, what would it be? I definitely miss you guys, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day.